To install the ceiling, you first need to install the ceiling battens using the top at 22. Install the first and last ceiling batten to the steel trusses 15mm away from the wall with 16mm Tek screws on both sides of the ceiling batten. You need to fasten an 89mm offcut channel to the truss to fasten the ceiling battens on the start and end of each ceiling batten. Install the ceiling battens 400mm apart, center to center. To join ceiling battens, they must overlap with 200mm, then fasten with 16mm Tek screws on both sides of the joint. To install the standard ceiling with H strips, you need to install the 6.4mm ceiling boards 90 degree with the ceiling battens. Install with Tek screws 150mm apart on every ceiling batten flush with the ceiling board. Install the H strip at the edge of the board, then install the next ceiling board. You need to cut the ceiling boards accordingly and make sure to stagger the joints to prevent damage to the ceiling. You will need to cover the gaps and skim over all screws with Rhino Glide to create seamless joints using the drywall taping knife. When all boards are installed, the ceilings are ready to be painted.
If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.